The reason Igbo men sing to our women is because we recognize our divinity. We are spirits of enterprise, Ndeafia, and she is our Omomo, goddess of prosperity in the flesh. That being said, dear Igbo men, let's change the narrative. She's your mom wife, but that means she's the way. You are the will, the Ikenga. If you will for your to go up a level, especially when you don't even know the way to go about that, transmute it to her, communicate it to her. She'll bet that level like magic. Ogugu. If you decide that in your Christian patterning that she's your mommy Gio, for you to leave the decisions and the will to, because you have seen her bet magic for you, she will make you apparition, and in the absence of a will, that's your Ikenga's guidance, the way will go astray. Now you are stuck in a brouhaha of your own making. Develop your will so that your will be done. Now you can invest in Holy Ezumezu as well. 1% stock for $100. You can also invest in upcoming music, $120 for 7% stock. If you listen to my music every day, if you use Holy Ezumezu daily, why don't you make money from all the times you're going to stream it and all the times you're going to share it? Invest in the music and earn from it for life, monthly. Thank you. Use Holy Ezumezu for your Igofo and to remember your dreams. Yagazi.